Do you think manga cafes in Japan are only for avid readers? Think again. These multifunctional spaces known as Manga Kissa are way more than meets the eye. So in today's episode, we'll show you what you can really do in a Japanese manga cafe. From manga, napping, gaming, and eating to showering, staying overnight, and even relaxing. Keep watching to discover everything you can do in these unique establishments. First off, let's start with the basics. What is a manga kissa? The word itself is a portmanteau of the words manga and kissaten, which means coffee shop. Manga kissa are pay-by-the-hour spaces where customers can enjoy a wide selection of manga titles. In a relaxing, private setting, there are over 6,000 manga cafes in Japan today, especially concentrated in major cities like Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto. The first manga cafe was established in 1972, and the idea has since grown into a massive industry. So once you enter a manga kissa, how does it work? Typically, you'll check in at the front desk and choose a membership plan based on the number of hours you wish to stay and the type of seat you want. The different types of seats include reclining chairs, flat mats for lying down, and private rooms with beds. Additionally, most manga cafes are divided into smoking and non-smoking sections. Some cafes also offer additional amenities such as showers, food and drink options, and internet access. Prices vary depending on location and amenities, but a few hundred yen per hour is standard, which converts to roughly $3 to $6. All right, now that you know the basics, let's explore the many things you can do at a manga kissa. The primary purpose of a manga kissa is to provide a comfortable environment for reading manga, and these cafes boast impressive collections spanning various genres and catering to diverse interests. You'll find the latest shonen manga releases alongside timeless classics. The cafes also provide ample options beyond manga, such as light novels, magazines, and even digital tablets for those who prefer ebooks. Whether you're a fan of action, romance, horror, or comedy, a manga kissa has something for everyone. And if you finish your current series, you can easily switch to another without any hassle. The staff are generally manga enthusiasts themselves, and they're always happy to recommend new titles to those seeking fresh recommendations. Besides being a haven for manga lovers, manga cafes are also popular among students and young professionals looking for a quiet place to study or work. The peaceful atmosphere and comfortable seating options make it an ideal spot for solo study sessions or group projects. Plus, most manga cafes offer high-speed internet access, allowing students and professionals to connect and collaborate seamlessly. For those seeking relaxation, manga cafes provide the perfect escape. The tranquil ambience and soft lighting create a soothing atmosphere conducive to unwinding after a hectic day. Plush chairs and soft bedding ensure maximum comfort, inviting visitors to sink in and unwind. Some cafes even offer additional relaxation options like massage chairs or quiet rooms for meditation. Now, let's talk about a key feature that sets manga cafes apart: their all-inclusive membership plans. Unlike traditional cafes, manga cafes operate on an hourly basis, allowing customers to stay as long as they like within the paid time frame. Most cafes offer various plans catering to different needs, such as hourly rates, half-day packages, and overnight stays. The all-inclusive nature of these plans ensures that customers have unlimited access to manga, snacks, and beverages during their stay. This flexibility allows customers to truly immerse themselves in their favorite stories without worrying about time constraints or additional costs. Some cafes also offer discounts for extended stays, making them an attractive option for those looking to spend a night or two in a relaxed environment. In addition to the core offerings, many manga cafes go the extra mile by providing additional services to enhance the customer experience. Some cafes offer showers and toiletries, which are particularly convenient for travelers or those who find themselves in need of refreshing. Others provide food and beverage options beyond the standard snacks and drinks, such as ramen, curry rice, and fried rice. These cafes also often have coin lockers where customers can securely store their belongings while they enjoy their stay. Some cafes even offer entertainment options like karaoke booths, gaming consoles, or board games, making them a great choice for groups or families. In fact, manga cafes have evolved into true multifunctional spaces that cater to a wide range of needs. They offer the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and affordability, making them an appealing option for people from all walks of life. So whether you're a student, a professional, a traveler, or simply someone looking for a cozy place to relax, a Manga Kissa might be the ideal spot for you. With their extensive collections, flexible membership plans, and additional services, manga cafes are truly a unique aspect of Japanese culture that offers something for everyone. Now, let's discuss another unique feature of manga cafes: their all-night opening hours. Unlike traditional businesses, manga cafes typically operate 24/7, providing customers with the ultimate flexibility. This feature is particularly appealing to students or salarymen who may want to squeeze in some downtime between classes or work, or for those looking for a late-night activity. All-night opening hours ensure that customers can drop by whenever the mood strikes, making it easy to unwind or catch up on the latest manga releases. And speaking of anime, did you know that some manga cafes even double as anime cafes? These establishments offer a fantastic opportunity for fans to immerse themselves in their favorite shows and characters. Anime cafes often feature themed rooms, merchandise, and special events celebrating popular anime series. They also serve anime-inspired food and drinks, allowing fans to indulge in their favorite fictional treats. Visiting an anime cafe can feel like stepping into another world, making it a must-visit destination for any anime enthusiast. But if you're worried about missing the last train home, don't be. As we mentioned earlier, many manga cafes also offer dormitory-style beds and private rooms for overnight guests. This makes them a great alternative to expensive hotels, especially for those on a budget or traveling in groups. Customers can rent out entire rooms or bunk beds equipped with bedding and towels for a comfortable night's sleep. The private rooms provide a sense of seclusion and tranquility, allowing guests to relax and recharge before heading home. Meanwhile, shared rooms offer a social atmosphere for those looking to meet fellow manga enthusiasts or travelers, with the option for both private and shared accommodations. Manga cafes provide a unique and affordable lodging experience. Now, let's talk about a topic that many frequent visitors appreciate: the all-you-can-eat and all-you-can-drink policy. Most manga cafes offer an extensive selection of snacks and beverages included in the price of admission. This feature allows customers to enjoy unlimited coffee, tea, soda, and other drinks throughout their stay. Additionally, many cafes provide a range of snacks such as instant noodles, cookies, and pastries. The all-inclusive food and beverage options ensure that customers can stay as long as they like, without worrying about additional costs. This feature is particularly convenient for those looking to spend an entire day or night at the cafe. Finally, let's address a burning question. Do you need to be a manga enthusiast to visit a Manga Kissa? The answer is no. While manga cafes are indeed havens for comic book lovers, they cater to a wide range of customers with diverse interests. Whether you're a student, a worker, a tourist, or anyone looking for a unique experience, a Manga Kissa has something for you. The comfortable atmosphere, all-inclusive membership plans, and additional services make it an appealing destination for everyone. So don't hesitate to step into a Manga Kissa and discover what it has to offer. You might just find yourself becoming a regular. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to everything you can do in a Japanese manga cafe. These establishments are truly a testament to the country's dedication to comfort, convenience, and affordability. From extensive manga collections to all-night opening hours and all-inclusive membership plans, manga cafes provide the ultimate escape for readers, workers, students, and anyone in need of relaxation. So the next time you find yourself in Japan, Be sure to visit a manga Kissa and experience this unique aspect of Japanese culture for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. We hope you learned something new and gained a deeper appreciation for Japanese culture. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy reading!